Make spring cleaning a breeze with products you can feel good about using in your home. You can get these products for free this month.
At 100 PV on Subscribe to Save, you will receive lemon. Lemon is one of the most versatile oils and a must-have for all of your cleaning DIY recipes.
Oh, it's so fresh. It has such a positive, welcoming aroma.
So bright.
I love giving my Thieves household cleaner a boost of this aroma and extra cleaning power with just a few drops of lemon essential oil.
One of my favorite ways to use lemon is as a natural adhesive remover. You can get rid of sticky adhesives or residues with a few drops of lemon. At 190 PV, you will qualify for a free 15 ml bottle of Purification. This is a blend of 6 oils: citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle.
I love this blend. The aroma, it's invigorating.
It smells so clean.
This is one of the best oils for your cleaning regimen because it can cleanse the air of unwanted odors and it can freshen any musty or any stale areas.
Rude!
Or you can even diffuse Purification, add a couple drops to cotton balls and place them in cabinets and trash cans or any space.
Or add a couple of drops to a cotton ball and put it in a stinky shoe.
I love adding Purification to dryer balls for a boost of freshness in your laundry.
Now, when you place a 190 PV order on Subscribe to Save, you will get Tangerine and Peppermint.
Tangerine has a sweet, citrusy, just a cheerful aroma that cleanses and refreshes the air.
And this oil is found in several Young Living favorite blends like Peace and Calming and Citrus Fresh. I love adding a few drops of tangerine to a box of baking soda, and I'll leave it in my refrigerator to help freshen up the air. Pop quiz: how do we get our citrus oils?
Cold pressing. We puncture the rinds of the peels to extract these oils.
In addition to tangerine, you will qualify for a 5 ml bottle of Peppermint. Diffuse this oil while working or during study time to create a fresh and focused environment. Peppermint is also a must-have for fatigued muscles due to its key constituent, menthol. Combine a drop with some carrier oil to enjoy a cooling sensation. Next up, when you place a 250 PV order, you will qualify for a Young Living signature scent, Lushious Lemon.
Ooh, I love Luscious Lemon. Luscious Lemon is a blend of lemon, lemon myrtle, which is amazing,
So good.
ylang-ylang, spearmint, and eucalyptus globulus.
What does this remind you of?
Ooh, it's citrusy, it's sweet. It reminds me of like a clean house, no handprints anywhere.
It's so good that we even have a foaming hand soap and lotion featuring this scent.
It's basically like sunshine in a bottle. So brighten your day with this wonderful aroma to just freshen everything up.
And just like Purification and lemon, it can help neutralize odors. So this is a perfect choice to diffuse once you're done cleaning.
And that's not all that you'll get at 250 PV. You will also receive this beautiful room spray bottle.
So modern, it's an amber bottle.
I love the black spray top right here. It's so cute. So Rita, how would you make a room spray?
I would add 10 to 15 drops of something like Luscious Lemon and fill the remainder with distilled water and a splash of witch hazel to make any room smell like a citrus garden. It'll smell so fresh in any space. Ooh, I feel like I'm in a California lemon grove.
Yum. Let's shift gears to the mountains. At 300 PV, you will qualify for pine essential oil. This oil is steam distilled from the blue-green needles of pine trees.
And fun fact, pine was studied and used by Hippocrates, the father of Western medicine. Ooh. And some pines have even been named the oldest trees on Earth.
Old and wise. Let's smell this aroma. It smells like a forest.
I'm ready for a hike.
Pine is another great oil to add to your cleaning regimen. Add pine to this DIY wood floor polish recipe. Your floors will shine and smell so fresh.
You can also use pine anytime you want to feel grounded. Inhale it through the palms of your hands and breathe slowly. I just love pine.
Me too, especially crisp pine. And we have one more free goodie for you in the month of April. When you place a 300 PV order on Subscribe to Save, you'll get Life 9.
That's a steal. Life 9 is Young Living's proprietary high-potency probiotic. It contains 17 billion live cultures from 9 beneficial bacteria strains.
It promotes healthy digestion, supports gut health, helps maintain normal intestinal function for support of a healthy immune system. What a great start for all your spring cleaning needs.
We'll see you next month.